Ang DOE, 2 days lang. Tama ba yun? Parang wala kayong urgency sa katawan, ayos lang. Can you please explain the rationale for this madness? At nagagalit ang tao, 2 araw lang kayo magtatrabaho sa harap ng krisis?
Work from home doesn't mean that we don't work, ma'am. We work every day. We meet every day, even in weekends. We haven't stopped actually for 8 weeks already. The bureau that's OIMB, that's downstream, that's there all the time, even on weekends. PNOC is there also. ERC is there also. All the personnel na dapat nag-handle ng mga frontline natin, nandyan, Mr. Chair. Those that are not in the office are continuously working. These are all, we have had a system of e-signatures, and this is not lang. I'm sorry, pero hindi po I mean, you can see naman kung anong pinanggagawa namin over the last 8 weeks. It is not because they are at home and they are not doing anything or nanonood lang ng TV doon or hindi nagtatrabaho. We can show it in our accomplishments, Mr. Chair. Lahat po sila overtime yan. Hindi po nagtigil ang trabaho dahil work from home. The objective of work from home is not to stop working. It is to become more efficient. Ngayon po, we are trying to save for the country.